everybody, today I'm here to show you RecPro's diamond and coin flooring. It is great to use for cargo trailers, toy haulers, race car trailers, and any of your flooring needs. If you're having fun in the rain or in the mud, it's no problem for our flooring because they are very resistant to tearing, peeling, and scratching. RecPro's diamond and coin flooring comes in two different colors, gray and black. It is waterproof and very resilient to all of the elements. If you're worried about damaging our floors, it's industrial grade rubber made in the USA, which makes it great for all of your adventuring and all of your flooring needs. It is 8.5 feet long and it comes in 5-foot sections all the way up to 40 feet. For easier install, our flooring is cut with a little bit extra so that you can cut it down to whatever size that you might need. If you would like to see our installation video, we'll link it in the description below. If you have any questions about our diamond or coin flooring, you can leave us a comment in the description below and we will get back to you. If you want to learn more about our diamond or coin flooring, you can hit the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.